First day out, anong unang ginawa mo?
So, nung alam ko nang lalaya na ako on that day, and mind you ha, even if you're acquitted, it will take a long time before you will be set free. Kasi of documents, I mean, the government is just so slow.
Our system.
It took siguro a week, or at least 5 days to 1 week.
Ay, hindi parang, labas na ako.
Malaya na.
Sabi ko acquitted, so uwi na ba ako today? Oh my
Hindi
gosh,
pa.
it went on for like how many
Days and
days?
days.
So parang yung lingering moment na ina-announce ko sa mga tao, it went to the point na parang, hindi ko na nga alam.
Kung kailan. Oo.
Hindi ko na alam.
Oo.
Yung tipo
Oo.
nag-aayos na ako ng gamit, then the next day,
And wala pa
siguro
rin.
ay babalik ko na lang
Oo.
kasi parang wala pa. And then, the first time I stepped out, it was the first time I wore casual clothes, like jeans for the first time.
Kasha pa.
Oo. Kasi ang ginawa ko, nung nag-jail ako, tumaba talaga ako. Kasi I can't see myself physically.
Yes.
Walang mirror, diba? And also, yung free size na shirt, sumasabog na ako. As in, like, I got so fat. I ate instant food all the time.
Junk food,
Junk
chips,
food, hot
soft drinks.
dogs. Yeah, everything that's bad. Okay. And then, I ballooned. My skin got so bad. So, I just told myself, I really want to go home already. I don't know when, I don't know how, but I have to physically be ready. Parang just to mindset myself na palabas na ako.
Yeah.
Even though parang the world seems impossible for it to happen. Kasi nagko-COVID din eh. So, lahat nag-stop.
Nandun ka COVID.
Oo. So, yung hearing stopped also.
Yeah.
So, I worked out at around 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. every day. Everyone's asleep. Quiet pa lahat.
May roommate ka?
Darkness.
Working out.
Roommate?
Ay, malay ko ba? Hindi naman
There are like 70 to 90 people nakatabi
Ay,
ko.
shucks. Ano mo parang,
Ano to, ginawa mong clinic?
ano,
condominium?
Okay. Very apartment.
Posporo po.
O tapos,
Room. Miss?
Oh, yeah. I had roomies. And then, so yung FYI, the way we roomie is like, we sleep, dito ako, tapos may katabi na ako dyan. So, that tight. Ganun kami kasi
70 kayo.
mga 70, 90, it goes up to 130. So, it really depends how the government is doing as of the moment. Pero on war on drugs, we were like 150 in a room that's supposed to be 30 people.
Wow.
Oo, ganun talaga siya nag-balloon. Sobrang patong-patong yung mga tao. Pero, yeah, 4 to 7 a.m., I was working out until the sunrise. And then every
Saan ka
time.
nag-workout? Sa
Doon sa
room?
pinakataas na
Pwede
na floor.
lumabas.
Hindi pwedeng lumabas. Kasi ang jail, ngayon, pataas na siya. Hindi na siya flat. Kasi pag flat, it's very easy to just escape. You know what I mean? So, they make it level by level. So, yung pinaka-top is the activity area. And it's very enclosed. Pero, meron pa rin window na makikita mo yung sun. So, I would always look at the sunrise. And when I look at it directly, parang may mga bars, sabi ko, one day I will be able to be out there to experience the sun and feel you on my skin. Pero I just really wanna...
Grabe, kinalimutan ako.
I just really want to watch you every time I work out and feel like you're at your best state. So, I got abs. I really lost weight.
Wait,
Talaga.
what year ka nag-start na I wanna be ready to be out? Pag ilang years
Nung
mo na?
lumabas ako 2021, so 2020, without an idea na makakauwi
pandemic.
akong 2021.
Okay.
As in, zero idea kailan ako makakalabas. Kasi si judge ko namatay. Diba?
Hassle?
So, ano na naman, back to
Ulit.
zero
Back to
ka.
zero
Oo.
na naman. Tapos may bagong judge, sabi niya temp. Ano lang siya, temp. Temporary lang siya. So in other words, hindi niya talaga pakikinggan yung case namin.
Yes.
Parang just to say na merong nakaupo doon. And then nung 2021, may bago ng judge. Pero ang reputation niya, hatol siya ng hatol. Oo, so nakakatakot, diba? Pero sabi ko, mindset ko talaga, hindi mo ako nilagay ni Lord dito para mabulok, diba? So sabi ko, I will work out. So I did. And then, I couldn't see myself, pero I felt chiseled. I felt like I had abs.
Anong mga equipments niyo doon?
Wala!
Body weight.
Body weight.
You run,
Okay,
you
okay.
do like,
Ikaw gumawa ng sariling program.
oo, araw-araw yun. So,
Wow.
I really sweated it out. I felt the strongest in my life.
I'm sure you have a newfound level of gratitude.
Yeah.
Things and just, how you see things now. What are the things that you really appreciate the most?
Now, I just appreciate, number one, family, having them around, waking up. Honestly, when you wake up kasi you realize, there's so much possibilities. Waking up means it's another
Day.
reset. So what I tried though, is the gratitude. I have really zero problems with that. I'm so grateful about everything. Is to remind myself na I shouldn't judge a certain situation as bad or good agad. I just try to neutralize everything. Yun yung talagang in-emphasize ko sa sarili ko. Kasi now, we sometimes get stuck in a situation. Like if someone does something bad to you or someone says something bad, parang inisip mo, ay, bad na siya.
Correct.
Hindi.
Pero
Pero
yun yung nabasa mo.
Ay, gusto ko
oo,
yan.
I just don't want to define anything anymore kasi in time, you will actually get a lot of lessons from it.
Parang kung bad talaga siya.
Eh di,
Wala
bahala
naman
siya.
talagang-
Buhay niya yun eh.
Wala naman talagang taong bad. Wala
Okay.
talaga.
Wala talaga.
Meron silang mga demons lang siguro inside.
Fighting their own
Yeah, and
demons.
maybe we will be part of their transformation. I don't know. I just like to try to think about it na we're all, parang kunyari, sabi nila, si Judas daw, he was
Traitor.
actually, he's a traitor,
Yeah.
but he was given that job to show to the world, diba? Na, you know, the good and the bad,
Yeah, the
diba?
betrayal.
He was just given that position, diba? So, could you really say na he's bad? But he was appointed to do that, diba?
Okay. But it's hard. Kasi like ako, binivisit ko yung inner child ko. And now parang happy ako to visit. Dati ayoko eh. So, parang gets ko yung shadow work na you really have to like work on it.
When you say you visit, when you visit it, is it more of you've accepted it na,
Yeah,
tapos you've
she's
outgrew it na?
comfortable
Or,
I think it's more of like when I visit my inner child, it's like happy na ako makita siya. Hindi ko na siya ina-avoid. Like happy na love ko siya na parang may mga things na dati siguro hindi ko na-realize. Pero now, if I talk to my younger self, sabihin ko, you're so cool. Ganon. And like, kasi may kids na ako eh. So, syempre, kailangan ko i-heal yung part of that. Kasi if I don't heal it, sabi mo,
So you don't
you
pass
bring
them
it.
on.
Kasi that's
Oo.
my fear to pass it on. Diba? Kaya gets ko yung sinasabi mo na yung shadow. And hindi ko na sa healing ka rin eh.
until now naman. I mean, not because you've overcome something. I
Yeah.
think we always have to try to overcome a lot of things. It's a constant grind.
Pero what's your best, siguro, method? Kunyari, meditation or kapag with your healing?
I meditate a lot, morning and night. And then ngayon, I've been listening to yung mga positive songs. Like parang, I don't chase, I attract. Yung
The energy.
super cute
Yeah,
na
I
mga
heard that. I heard
songs.
that
Oo.
song.
Yung mga parang,
Budget your energy, gano'n.
I exist to earn. Parang ganon. Like, mga songs siya of affirmation. So I just listen to it and groove to it every night and morning. Pero I do 1 hour of just like being silent. Kasi I have to really tone down the emotions.
Correct.
Every morning.
Kasi sometimes visits you, di ba?
It's always does. Like,
Yeah.
there's a lot of triggering things nowadays. Little things trigger. So, dapat talaga you tone it down through meditation.
Mag-ground.
Oh, but I'm telling you, I still get irita a lot of times. But I just
It's a
don't
constant work.
let it linger.
Mas aware ka na now.
Tsaka, siguro ngayon, hindi na siya long-term yung effect sa akin pag may nangyari sa
Kaya mo
akin.
na i-cut na.
Oh, and then just, again, not judge if it's bad or good. It's just what it is. Then move on.
Wait, nakalimutan ko. Anong ginawa mo the day you were able to...
To be set free.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo nga, napahaba yung
Oh my
kasiyahan.
gosh, yeah.
Oo.
Nakalimutan
Okay.
ko. Okay.
So, nakasuot na ako, di ba? Ganda ng hair ko, nag-brush na ako, naglagay ako ng makeup. Oh my gosh, so excited. Pagbukas ng doors, oh my gosh, ang bango. Although it was still in jail, pero ang
Iba yung
amoy
amoy.
sa loob na kulog, na parang depressed, at alam mong talagang they're all parang feeling hopeless. Outside felt so much hope. And you just smell
There's a smell.
the sun. You just smell like the happy beginnings. And then, as soon as the doors open, I remember it so well. Alam mo yung parang may suction, tas natanggal. Tas parang, wow! Oh my gosh.
Pero I love how, paano mo binaliktad yung bad experience, the dark
Yeah.
moments into something positive and good. And now you have an advocacy that you still continue. Ano yung mga nalilook forward mo in the future?
I look forward to, of course, working with more people, definitely. Kasi, although I do have an advocacy, careers has been number one in my life. Like hosting events. Ngayon, I've been hosting internationally na rin. Because that's my
wow.
aim. I really want to go beyond the Philippines.
Oo.
And at the same time, I want to be able to keep sharing my story. So ngayon, I do a lot of speaking engagements about what happened to me. But also, within marketing, like branding, or just changing your image. Kasi ever since I was a kid, from being bullied to being in a magazine,
you had
a lot of
very
rebranding in my life. And also just being stigmatized in jail, I had to rebrand myself also to get out of that image, diba? So I really do share that in a lot of like companies, schools, etc. Ngayon, internationally, I get invited as well. But aside from that, of course, the advocacy continues. I really get a lot of people from jail that are still not overcoming their traumas. Like they're
Yes.
still stuck. Hindi sila maka-move on to the point na feeling nila may humahabol pa rin sa kanila dahil nawalan sila ng pamilya, na they think that is life.
Correct.
So I try my best to share more content or just to go inside jail and to refresh na, guys, the reason why you're still alive is because God is giving you another chance each and every day. You have a chance to be a better person. And once God sees na, oh my gosh, I think you're ready, then He will give you the exit and to have a new beginning talaga outside. Pero it will take a lot of time.
Correct.
So, ang dami talaga mga nakalaya na hindi pa rin naka-move on. Feeling nila nakakulong pa rin sila. And that's sad.
Yes.
It's very sad kasi they've already been given a chance to renew. Pero if your heart is still stuck in the past, you can never even take another step forward or even have another new family or like, opening
New
yourself
life.
to a career. Wala talaga. So they need guidance.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
wait ako.
I,
Big learning ko lang is about judgment. Kasi
Mm.
ang hirap, from your bullies, judge ka na pangit ka, but you prove them wrong. And then what happened to you, na-judge na yung image mo. So I admire how you were able to pull through all that. And thank you for that learning na they're not bad. Any situation, anyone's not bad or good. It's just, how it is. Yan lang. Thanks for that learning.
thank you for
Yes.
a very
Wow.
insightful conversation
Mhm.
at sa pag-open sa eyes namin sa mga bagay na of course hindi
Yeah.
natin nakikita, diba?
Ako gusto ko,
the other side of
if you're
life.
gonna visit, sama.
Ay, really?
Yeah. I can
Maybe
teach
believe it.
volleyball. I can teach volleyball.
They'd love that.
Yeah,
Oo.
oo.
Sa female dorm ka na lang.
Pwede
Oo.
ba magbigay ng bola? Ganun.
Yeah, pwede ka
mag-iwan?
magbigay.
Hiram
Oo,
lang.
kasi
And then
sign it.
sinasa
Iwan ko
uli
na-
after.
Yeah, they
Oo,
place
para
it in their
mag-iwan ako
sports
ng
area.
bola sa kanila.
Wow. I think
Yeah.
that would be so
Let
nice.
me
Oo,
know.
that would
Sa
be
ano
nice.
tayo correctional?
Yes.
Kasi
sige.
mas may
May court sila.
May
May
court
malakad din
sila.
eh. Oo.
Oo. O baka I can invite you also.
Oo,
ah.
hindi ko kaya magturo ng volleyball pero support.
No, you can teach
Sa cheering.
makeup.
Pwede.
Make-up.
Pwede,
diba?
pwede.
Kasi madami mga little parlors doon pero hindi ko
Oh.
maintindihan yung paano nila
Ginagawa
nilalagay
nila.
makeup.
Oh, okay.
Oo.
Pero
You
ka
do it professionally.
beauty.
That's
ganun.
cute. Sige, pwede. Oo, let's
Okay,
set a
I will
date.
bring
Would
both
love
Thank you
of
so
them.
much for being with us
Thank
today.
you.
We
And
really
thanks for
enjoyed
sharing,
it.
being
Oo.
open about your journey. Kasi
Oo.
sometimes it's hard to, open up about those dark times.
If this episode made you laugh, think, or suddenly text your friend, "Are we doing life right?" You're in the right place. Follow Trentitas so you never miss an episode. And share it with a fellow 30-something who's also balancing dreams, bills, and existential questions. Because let's be honest, nobody really knows what they're doing in their 30s. We're all just figuring it out. Stick around for more real talk, good vibes, and conversations that make adulthood a little less confusing. This is Trentitas, your hangout for surviving your 30s.